Bioluminescence is one of the most widespread and least understood forms of communication in the ocean. Edith Witter. Please watch to the end. The most interesting part is at the very end. Tomopteris helgolandica is a pelagic polychaete worm that defies nearly every stereotype associated with annelids. Instead of crawling on the seafloor or hiding in sediment, this species lives permanently suspended in the open water column. It belongs to the genus Tomopteris, a group known for extreme transparency, active swimming, and rare biochemical adaptations found in very few animals. The body of Tomopteris helgolandica is long, ribbon-like, and almost completely transparent. Internal organs are reduced or rearranged in a way that minimizes visual contrast, rendering the animal nearly invisible in open water. This transparency is not incidental. It is a primary survival strategy in a habitat with no physical cover. Locomotion is achieved through large, paddle-shaped parapodia arranged along the body. These structures act like wings, allowing the worm to swim with smooth, controlled movements rather than crawling. The motion resembles slow underwater flight, enabling precise vertical positioning in the water column with minimal energy expenditure. Unlike most polychaetes, Tomopteris helgolandica lacks the heavy chaete typically used for defense or anchoring. Instead, it relies on speed, maneuverability, and invisibility. This design reflects the pelagic environment, where clinging to surfaces is impossible and evasion is more effective than armor. An exclusive anatomical detail rarely discussed outside specialized literature concerns its unique bioluminescent chemistry. Tomopteris helgolandica produces yellow-green bioluminescence, an extreme rarity in marine organisms, which almost universally emit blue light. This light originates from specialized glandular cells along the parapodia and is released as glowing secretions rather than flashes from fixed organs. This yellow emission is not random. It is believed to function as a defensive decoy. When threatened, the worm releases luminous particles that continue to glow after detachment, distracting predators while the animal swims away in darkness. This represents a form of active light shedding, a strategy far more sophisticated than simple flashing. Feeding behavior is predatory. Tomopteris helgolandica captures small planktonic organisms using rapid body flexion and subtle water movements rather than grasping appendages. Sensory detection relies on mechanoreceptors and chemoreceptors distributed across the body surface, allowing the worm to detect microcurrents and chemical traces in otherwise empty water. Metabolically, this species operates under strict energy constraints. Musculature is efficient but limited, and movement patterns are optimized for short bursts rather than sustained speed. This matches the sparse distribution of prey in pelagic zones. Reproduction remains poorly documented, but like other pelagic polychaetes, Tomopteris helgolandica likely releases gametes directly into the water column. Larval development occurs entirely in open water, reinforcing its complete detachment from the seafloor throughout its life cycle. Tomopteris helgolandica is not an anomaly. It is evidence that worms, given the right pressures, can evolve into fast, transparent, light-producing predators of the open ocean. The ocean is not a uniform space. It is layered, dynamic, and filled with invisible specialists. Sylvia Earle. If this changed your understanding of pelagic life, please support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, share it, and tell us in the comments which transparent deep-sea organism you'd like to explore next. Let's discuss in the comments.